Freshservice versus Help Scout, which is the best help desk software. Let's dive right in and break down what each platform offers and why you might choose one over the other. First, let's talk about Freshservice. It's a comprehensive IT service management platform that packs a punch with features like incident management, asset tracking, and a robust knowledge base. It's designed to help IT teams streamline their operations. Freshservice comes with a clean user interface and integrates well with third-party tools, making it a solid choice for teams that need a lot of customization. But here's the catch, it can feel a bit overwhelming if you don't need all the extra features. If you're not an IT professional, you might find Freshservice a bit too heavy-handed for just basic customer support. Next thing, Help Scout. Help Scout shines when it comes to simplicity and ease of use. If you're looking for a no-fuss help desk software, this could be the one for you. Help Scout offers email-based ticket management, a shared inbox, and live chat, all in a tidy, intuitive interface. One of its best features is its focus on collaboration, making it easy for teams to work together on tickets. But there are some downsides too. While it's great for small teams or startups, it may fall short if your business scales or if you need more advanced features like workflow automation and detailed reporting. It's a great solution for smaller companies, but if you need enterprise-level capabilities, you might outgrow it. Now, let's talk pricing. Freshservice starts at a higher price point, but offers a wide range of features in its plans. That's great if you want everything bundled together, but for a small team, you might end up paying for features you won't use. Help Scout, on the other hand, is much more affordable, which makes it appealing for smaller businesses, but you'll start to hit limitations as your team grows, especially in areas like automation and integrations. The next thing to consider is the customer support and onboarding process. Freshservice offers a comprehensive set of tutorials, and the support team is fairly responsive. However, the learning curve can be steep for new users. Help Scout makes onboarding a breeze with a more straightforward setup process, so you can get up and running quickly. But some users have mentioned that once you're past the initial setup, getting help with complex issues can be slower than expected. The fourth thing to highlight is customization. Freshservice stands out in this area. If you need a highly customizable help desk solution, Freshservice can adapt to your needs, whether that's customizing workflows or creating complex automation rules. Help Scout is simpler, and while that's great for some, it may not have the customization depth you're looking for if your needs evolve. Let's talk about the integrations. Both Freshservice and Help Scout offer a solid set of integrations with popular platforms like Slack, Salesforce, and Google Workspace. However, Freshservice has the upper hand with more extensive integration options, especially for IT management and enterprise tools. Help Scout, while it covers the essentials, doesn't offer as many options for larger or more complex setups. The final thing to consider is scalability. If you're a small business or startup, Help Scout might be the best option. It's easy to use, and you don't need to worry about overcomplicated features. But if you plan to scale up, Freshservice may be more suited to your long-term needs due to its advanced features and customization options. So which one is the best help desk software? Both Freshservice and Help Scout are solid options, but they cater to different needs. Freshservice is better for larger teams or businesses needing in-depth IT management, while Help Scout is perfect for smaller teams looking for simplicity and ease of use. However, after trying all of them myself, I believe there's a better alternative if you're aiming for a balanced, easy-to-use platform with great customer support and integrations. If you want the best value and experience, take advantage of the exclusive free trial through the first link in the description. You'll get special benefits that aren't available anywhere else.